I've just come to realize the power that lies in small money or little money, in quotes, whatever you say. And what I mean by small money is the cumulative effort daily to save just a little. Because have you ever thought from this angle? Let's say you save a day on a daily basis 100 shillings. Do you know by the end of the month you'll be having 3,000 shillings? And 3,000 in 1 year, that is 3,000 times 12 months. Do you know that is an approximate of 26,000 from just saving 100 shillings daily? Sometimes we overrate big money and underrate small money. So, my take today is if you can start with whatever you can, because even if it's 50 shillings, imagine in a month that is 1,500. Imagine in 12 months, that is the disposable income maybe you can use for a vacation or something. So so I just want to tell you guys, let us not despise the little money that we have. Let's not have this mindset where only a lot of money can give you whatever you want. You can still start small and benefit either way. So I've actually never thought of this from this angle, because I always keep saying, it's for me, I always keep saying, oh, the money is not enough, the money is too little, the money, I cannot save the money, I have other things to do. But I've come to realize the 100 shillings goes a long way. For example, my rent is a total of 4,500. Assume I was saving 100 shillings daily. That is 3,000. The only thing I have to top up is 1,500. Imagine you save that 100 shillings. By the end of the month, when maybe your salary or however you get your income comes in, you can use that money to do shopping and save the extra money, the other money. Yo, sometimes, sometimes you just need to appreciate these little things. Small money goes a long way, and with that little money, over time it accumulates and you can be able to invest in something. For example, let's just use the 100 shillings example, because that is what I find realistic in my position. Because in a year, imagine you have 26,000. So with that money, you can actually invest in something like, where I come from, people invest in land. You can rent a land and probably get some few coins from the area, or maybe you can buy something that will generate you some income. I mean, you can even choose, it's according to your financial status, because you can choose to even save up to 500 shillings. My only point here is, so that I don't keep on repeating myself, is whatever you're able to sacrifice, whatever you see as if it's not much, that is a lot in reality. And the mentality is the problem, because sometimes you just think, what will 100 bob do to me, or how is it going to impact my life? Imagine it's going to impact your life greatly. If you save 100, at the end of the month you'll be having 3,000. 3,000 maybe to just go somewhere, enjoy yourself. 3,000 maybe to add on your rent. 3,000 to do whatever you can. And from when you look from a certain POV, you may see as if 100 shillings is not impactful in any way, because you see you can go outside, buy water, buy some few things, come cook, and 100 bob is done. So my take today is, don't despise that little money. That little money goes a long way. So if you're able, according to your financial capability, even if it's 50 shillings, even if it's 20 shillings, do that. That is what I have for today. Kindly observe that thing, because what? That was mind blowing. It was mind blowing to me, because I couldn't now. Sometimes we think with a short term, kind of thinking, but what if you think with a long term kind of thinking, that one is going to take us a long way. So yeah, that's the lesson today. Let's learn to appreciate the little money, and let us remember that that little money can go a long way. Yeah.